This 2026 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 24BHX is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Georgetown, Kentucky, 40324 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Lexington. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 29 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8 and 56 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.